Welcome everybody. This is a segment that is in continuation to my earlier segment on intuitive leadership. You may be able to see the framework that I had suggested there, which is called the T.L.A. Trust your intuition, listen to it, and act upon this heightened awareness. And it's a beautiful space for leaders to tap into their intuition rather than running away or letting go of it. I was in this entrepreneurship forum where I was making a presentation on how one can benefit from this space of entrepreneurial mindset that taps into intuition. One of the participants came back and asked a question saying, look, I have leveraged my intuition and I went ahead and executed on it and I failed miserably. So how do you know that your intuition is right or wrong? And I just had one answer. Intuition is never wrong, and that is very clear. But intuition does not work alone. So it works along with logic and reason. So when you wake up and you have an idea, it's a great intuitive space you have tapped. But if you simply go ahead and just put it into practice or just go ahead and execute it and you fail, you feel cheated. So the answer is not about running away from this intuitive space or running away from tapping into this intuitive space, but you got to sequence that journey with the right balance from logic and reason. Your intuition, insight, and perception works well with thinking and creativity, which is what your left and right brain is all about. So leverage your intuition. Don't run away from it if you have failed, but try to sequence it with the right level of data, information, and creative ways to put it to practice. So your intuition is never wrong. It only needs that right time frame for it to be executed along with the right set of supporting things that can help you in getting that idea to fruition. So go ahead, tap into this intuitive space that you have as individuals and leaders and benefit from the principle or philosophy of the and rather than the tyranny of the or. All the very best to more intuitive leaders.